Welcome to DesignerDigitals Bi-Weekly Tip, March 24th, 2017. This week, Creative Techniques with Filmstrip Frames in Photoshop and Elements, Part 1. This week is the first part in a series of tips on how to use Katie Petit's Filmstrip Frames creatively. By making a few simple changes to the frames, you can use them over and over again, getting a different look every time. Whether you're using a Filmstrip frame set or a template with Filmstrip frames, these ideas will give you design choices for using the images. The first technique is outline frames. The outline technique is inspired by Patricia's adorable baby page. There are several ways to get the effect of the Filmstrip frames on Patricia's page. One way is to outline the frame. Here's how. Begin by opening the layered template or the frame image in Photoshop or Elements. For the sample, I'm using Katie Petit's filmed layered template. Change the background layer to white by selecting the background layer and pressing Ctrl-U or on a Mac system Command-U on the keyboard. Then move the lightness slider all the way to the right and click OK. Select the Filmstrip frame layer. Control-click or on a Mac system Command-click the frame icon on the left side of the layer in the Layers panel. Now you'll see marching ants. Make a selection around the frame on your template document. Next, hide the frame layer by clicking on its layer visibility icon on the left side of the layer. It looks like a little eyeball. Next, click the Create a New Layer icon in the Layers panel. It'll look like a little post-it note with a turned up corner. This places a new transparent layer above the hidden frame layer. You'll be able to find it over in the Layers panel. Now make the outline by choosing Edit, Stroke from the menu bar. In the Stroke dialog box, make the following choices. Change the width to 8 pixels. Change the color to gray. I'm using B6, B5, B3 and click OK. For the location, choose Outside, and for the blending mode, use Normal at 100% opacity. Make sure that Preserve Transparency is not ticked and then click OK. Of course, you can make the outline any color you'd like, but to make mine look more like Patricia's, I'm using the gray outline. Next, press Ctrl-D or on a Mac system Command-D to remove the selection. You may need to, at this point, resize the photo placeholders to make them fit inside the outlines. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. To do this, just select the photo placeholder and press Ctrl-T or on a Mac system Command-T on your keyboard, and then use the corner handles to resize the photo placeholder box until it fits back inside the frame outlines. On this one, all I'll have to do is move the photo placeholder over a little bit to make it fit nicely inside the outline. If you're using a template with overlapping frames, you can take the eraser tool and erase away the portions of the outlines that overlap. In Photoshop, you can also use a layer mask, which is down here in the bottom of the Layers panel, to hide the overlapping sections of the frames. Outlining the Filmstrip frames gives them a sketched look and completely changes the feel of your page. It's a great way to change up the frames and freshen your pages. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for the next tip on using your Filmstrip frames in different ways.